boys and girls, Mrs. Rayhan and Darwin are going to show you another new card game. It's called Lucky 10. And in Lucky 10, you need the cards 1 to 10 and no other cards. And you need a piece of paper. And you're going to set it up with the names of the people who are playing. And then along the sides, I'm going to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because there's 5 rounds in this game. And the person who has the lowest points is the winner. So we're going to show you how to play. Each of us starts with 5 cards. We put them face up in front of us. 4, right? Okay. And then we have a pile to draw from. I'm going to put my cards here. I'll put my cards right here so you can see what I'm working with. Okay, Darwin, you can do the first one. We're going to try to get as close to 10 as possible, but any points we score points against us for how far our amount is from 10. So what have you got there, babe? What's your lowest amount you can make close to 10? Closest to 10. So hold it up for our friends at school. So you've got 10 and 1, and what's that make?
That makes 11.
Okay, so how many points do you score?
1.
1, because 11 is 1 more than 10. So Darwin got 1 his first round. Well, I lucked out because I can see a 10 bond right here. I can see 8 and 2 makes 10. So my first round score is a 0, which is as good as it gets, really. And I'm going to get my 2 new cards.
Got the same.
That's their closest amount to 10. So show our friends 10, add 1.
11.
Okay, so how many points do you get that round?
1.
Well, that's pretty good. It's very close to 0. So put that here in the discard pile and get yourself 2 new cards. Now I'm looking at mine. The closest thing I can get to 10. Well, I know that 7 and 3 makes 10. So 7 and 2 is really close. It's 1 less. It's 9. Or I could do it. Oh, hey, I missed one. 9 and 1 makes 10. So 0 points that round. I almost missed that. I have to look closely. Oh, show us.
8 and 3.
8 and 3. Now, what's that make, Darwin?
11.
So 8, 9, 10, 11.
And
so
that means I get 1 point.
1 away from 10, so 1 point there. If it was 12, it'd be 2 points. So you did pretty well. Now let's see here. Ooh, I don't see any 10 bonds this time. I could do 10 and 2, and that makes 12. Let's see if there's anything closer I could do. Oh, 7, 8, 9. 7 and 2 makes 9. So I'm going to choose that one. So I get 1 point because 9 is 1 away from 10. Do you have 5 cards, love?
No.
Right after you play. It's a good idea to get your 5 cards, then you can really have your time to think about it. Why are you so happy this time?
I got 6 and 4.
And 6 and 4 makes
10.
So he gets 0 points that round. Well done. And grab your 2 new cards, love. Oh, I marked under the wrong person. Good noticing. Oh, gotta keep me honest. Now take your 2 cards, lovey. Take your 2 cards, please, so you're ready for your next round. And he got 6 and 4, and I got 4 and 6. The switcheroo fact, and that makes 10 too. So I'll score my 0 there.
4 again.
6 and 4. What's with that? So many of those. So 6 and 4 makes 10. So how many points do you score? 0. And that was the 5th round. So we can see that Darwin got 3 1s. So altogether he has 3 points. So I have 1 point. So as long as I get 1 point now, then I'll win. But if I get 2 points, we'll tie. Let's see what I can do. Ooh, now I don't have any 10 bonds. The lowest number, the closest number I can make to 10 is by going 7 and 5. Well, I know 5 and 5 make 10, so 2 more would be 11, 12, or I could go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, 10, how many away from 10 is 12? 11, 12, 2 away from that. So this is interesting. I get 2 and 1, that makes 3. So Darwin and I have a tie in this round of Lucky 10. We could play again after that if we liked. It's a great game for practicing the numbers that make 10. It's also great for comparing to 10. So another way of kind of making 10 in a way, because you're almost thinking subtraction or addition to figure out how far away you are from 10. And there's other ways to play. If you wanted, you could make it different by having a different target number than 10. You could also play with 3 add-ins, so you need to always use 3 cards, but I would recommend starting with a 2-card combination, and then if you enjoy it, you can try those extension games. I hope you liked the game. We did too.